Coming here there was a lot of factors involved. I was an international student, first generation. I had no clue what the process was like coming into college. So I guess I was just looking for a community that could help me be successful and achieve my goals, but also who could help me grow as a student, as a leader, and then a community that would also accept me as an international student, as a Black woman, just all in all accept me as I am. I think within the College of Public Health, we are a small college, so the benefit of that is that I've been able to grow really close with students and faculty. I've built a community within the college, and that has enabled me to explore all the resources the college has offered, including research, internships, and that has truly fueled my passion for public health. I think through those experiences, I realized my passion for public health and why I truly was pursuing that career. And I think just being able to be in that community as well helped me overall with my experience at UK, because it was just yet another community that I felt a part of. I think I've been able to grow as a person, but also as a leader. Being involved, especially in organizations like the Student Activities Board, I've been able to learn what it means to truly be a student leader, but also to just be part of my community and serve in that aspect. I'm grateful that I could be a form of hope or an example to people to see that they can also achieve their dreams. And it's not just within the academic spectrum, but as a leader, as somebody who's able to have a positive impact on campus. So I'll be pursuing a Master's of Science in Public Health, specifically in the Department of Global Health and Population at the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. It's a great opportunity for me to continue to build what I have learned so far as a public health professional and practitioner, to make sure that I have the knowledge and the skills necessary for me to be the best public health practitioner that I would like to be. So I'm very excited for the opportunity. One of my goals is to go back home to Ghana and help in whatever aspect that I can with the public health system, to ensure that people are having access to quality health care. And I also want to work on a global spectrum with different organizations, whether that's the World Health Organization, to just basically contribute to health globally on a positive scale. And I was given an opportunity to come to this university and, do the best that I could with it, and I believe that I have. And being able to see how the University of Kentucky as a whole, the community here, seeing how they invested in me, seeing how they believed in me, and seeing how they trusted me to make use of what I was given here to achieve even more. I think I'm very grateful for that I have that opportunity to walk this stage and say, I have graduated and I have a bachelor's in public health. Just seeing that importance of education and what education can do for an individual, I think that would be one of the many things that will change that trajectory of my family.